Armored cars are the fortresses of the road, essential for safely transporting high-value assets. But how exactly do their security systems work? Let's break it down. Armored vehicles are designed to withstand attacks and protect the valuable contents and the crew inside. They are critical infrastructure for cash in transit, precious metals, and other high-risk goods. The primary role of an armored car is risk mitigation. They ensure the secure delivery of valuables, making high-risk transport routes safe from robbery or assault. Armored car security isn't just one thing, it's a multi-layered approach. This involves physical defenses, high-tech surveillance, rigorous crew training, and specialized cargo security. The first line of defense is the physical structure of the vehicle itself. This is what gives armored cars their iconic, formidable look. The vehicle body is typically constructed with hardened steel or composite armor, providing ballistic resistance against various firearms and explosives. Doors are reinforced with heavy steel and complex locking mechanisms that are designed to resist forced entry, often requiring dual authentication or time delay access. Windows are made of multi-layered, thick, bullet-resistant glass, which can stop high-velocity rounds while still allowing the crew visibility. Beyond physical armor, technology plays a vital role in monitoring and communication, ensuring the vehicle is always in touch with base security. Armored cars are equipped with integrated CCTV systems that provide 360-degree real-time surveillance, both inside and outside the vehicle, streamed directly to a central monitoring station. Advanced GPS tracking ensures the vehicle's location is known at all times. In extreme circumstances, this can include remote disabling capabilities to prevent theft. Secure, encrypted communication systems, including radio and satellite links, are essential to maintain constant, private contact between the crew and their command center, even in remote areas. The technology is only as good as the personnel operating it. Rigorous procedures and training are the backbone of secure armored transport. Strict standard operating procedures dictate everything from route planning and scheduling to protocols for approaching clients and handling emergencies, all based on threat assessment. Crew members receive extensive training in threat assessment, defensive driving, and emergency response, ensuring they can react effectively and safely under duress. The most vital part of the security system is protecting the valuables themselves, housed within a specialized vault or cargo area. The vault utilizes its own set of specialized, high-security locking mechanisms, often separate from the vehicle's doors, ensuring the cargo remains secure even if the main cabin is breached. Cash and high-value items are often stored in safes with time delay features. This mechanism prevents immediate access, greatly deterring smash-and-grab robberies. Armored car security is a masterclass in defense, combining engineering, technology, and human expertise to create a mobile security barrier. From ballistic armor and reinforced doors to GPS tracking and trained crews, every measure works in unison to create a robust and effective security system. Armored car technology is constantly evolving, incorporating new materials, advanced sensors, and more sophisticated anti-theft measures to stay ahead of threats.